This is a case study of Brook from Fellsmere, Florida, who contacted Eversafe about a 50 by 100 metal farm building he wanted installed on his property. This large span structure is used to store all of his farm implements so they're near his home. He uses his steel building to store round hay bales as well as feed for his farm animals. He uses the large garage doors for farm machinery, boats, and an RV for his weekend endeavors. His Eversafe building is the epicenter of his farming operations, and he selected Hawaiian blue to match his home.
Hi, my name is Brook. I purchased a 50 by 100 building from Eversafe Buildings, and I really like the way it looks with my house. I store my agricultural equipment in there and hay and feed. I decided to get 6 12 by 14 bay doors so that I could get my backhoe in and also my RV for storage to keep it nice and dry out of the weather. And I really think you guys should check out Eversafe.